Yes, my friends, whatever you do, don't get caught with your pants down in Pattaya. Good afternoon. My name is Vladimir Putin, and even though I am a war criminal, I am spending the weekend in Pattaya in Thailand because it is Sin Sunday. Now, please, whatever you do, do not tell Joe Biden or the Prime Minister of England or that guy who is in Ukraine. I can't remember his name. I think he is my brother. But I want to see whether everyone is ready for Sid Sunday. But I have to do, my friends, a little bit of hiding because I know I am a war criminal and the police are searching for me, yes, even in Thailand. I will have to be in disguise because I want to have a look down Soy 6 in Pattaya. I don't want anyone to recognize me as Vladimir Putin. and maybe I'll take a little walk down Walking Street. Very nice indeed. So, my friends, my name is Vladimir Putin. I invite you to Sin Sunday in Shingas, April the 9th. Today, Sunday, 9 April 2023. Yeah, thank you. After Sunday, I will be going back to the Russian Federation and just being doomy and gloomy and someone who doesn't really smile. But there are, 5 reasons to visit Thailand. Nashvadanya, or Nastrovia, or vodka, yes.